Hey Davers, happy holidays here from Israel. My morning started with a meeting. Me and Rachel had a meeting with the BizDev from Beyond Mobility called the DAV. The DAV and us discussed potential collaborations with Tier 1 prospects. It went really well. Then I had a call with Andrew, our head of research from Australia. We did a bit of a brainstorm regarding our taxi drivers outreach and collaborations, and that's it. I'm just optimizing my outbounds, and me and Kyle will have our call later tonight. He's in Toronto, we're in Tel Aviv, and that's about it. Bye.
Hey there, Davers! So yesterday, besides pushing forward with a few of the integrations we have going, most of my day was about legal work. Terms and conditions, contracts we had to sign, stuff around the KYC, privacy policy, a lot of fun stuff. And it has been like that for a few days now, but I'm happy to say that today, after a lot of work, I was able to finish all of that. Also today, I worked on the KYC integration, which is going really great. Moved forward with a security provider we're using for the site for DDoS protection, etc. As well as we actually secured a new partner today, and we're going to have more details about that really soon. See you tomorrow.
Hey there, what's up? So today I've mainly been working on the new DAV in a nutshell. Hopefully we'll get it out there soon. That's it. See you next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporte here. Yesterday we worked on everything pertaining to the KYC, so making sure the messaging was aligned, making sure the website had all the relevant components, working with legal on that, so just a lot of work for the KYC. And also that was sort of the theme for today as well. Worked alongside with Tal to make sure that MailChimp is going to be able to integrate very well in regards to what we're trying to do from a KYC standpoint. And then also, besides that, worked on some paid advertising, worked on some partnership information, and then also some content for later this week. Thanks everybody, have a good day.